Hey guys, Dungeon Crafter here. This is my first video and I went in YouTube and I'm probably sick. Sorry for the voice. I will review my castle. I did not copy it. I did not download it from a map or something. I just made it. Probably here's the thingy that in the castle when it closed and open. And if I had a mod, I wish there was crocodiles here. Then okay, let's start inside. Okay. Probably I need to put something in here, but if you give me an idea, I'll put it. Just tell me.
In the comments below.
And in the comments below, and I will make it. Okay. First, when I come here, I will see a stairs, a ladder going up the tower for the archers and killing mobs. And here is like a little garden, and the other side is the same like this. Okay. I'm just gonna close the door.
Oh, I forgot it.
What do I need? Okay. When I come here, you will see there's a furnace, crafting table, anvil, and a enchanted table. It's the same, and then blah 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 blah. I think in my next video I will play survival with nobody, only me. Here's the storage room. Where's all the chests, the foods, the diamonds, the emeralds. Oops, I forgot. I need to put cobblestone here. Probably I made this castle like 12 minutes. Here's the bedroom.
Oh my gosh.
There's a dozen bed, but I will make this much more nicer. My best friend is laughing at me. Because he is evil.
No, it's not because it have too much anything.
Probably he always say that he sucks in English.
No, I said.
Yes, he said.
I suck in my
Probably
voice.
is
I suck in
Grayman Gamer, right? Yep, he said yes. Here's
but
the
it's
tower
still on
when
the future.
like archer for taking monsters down or spiders. But
Tell me,
I
where is your enemy's monster? Where?
Oh wait, I forgot. Is it easy? Oh yeah. Let me just turn it nighttime. Wait. I'm just gonna get my bow.
But I said my.
Probably I don't need arrows, cause even you don't have arrows in your inventory, you can shoot bows. I meant arrows in creative. This. Wait. Time set 2500. Roll 3. I think. Sorry about the cough. Wait. What's that again? Oh yeah. Set. Time set.
Ganito.
Set.
Like this. 1-8.
Time set.
1-8.
Night.
Not like
Okay,
that.
here's is 9. Even if it's enchanted bow, I like it. Even your animals, you can burn it. This thing for this, so when the mobs fell in here, they cannot get out. They're a trap. I think it's much more better to in survival for making this.
They're
Oh,
trapped.
I mean,
They're trapped because it's lagging.
because it's lagging. See? There's a bunch of creepers. Look, and a zombie and a spider. I think I'm gonna miss this. Steady, steady, steady. Bullseye! No! Bullseye! Yeah! I'm gonna shoot this spider.
I know. Boom.
Well,
Fire!
yeah, but I think in this castle, when I put some staircase on this side, wait, let me just fly, cause it's always lagging. No, yeah, okay. Just put some staircase in here, and spiders cannot go up, and they are totally trapped. But when they can get out here, okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or like. Oh, see, spider can sense that I shoot arrows. I mean, oh yeah, I shoot arrows on him. Oh, I love shit. I love. See, there's a trapped one. See, it cannot get out anymore because it's trapped. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next.